Hi guys, today after a long time I have come back with a new video for all the Avdhi learners, and today we will discuss Avdhi words and sentences that can be used at a family gathering. पारिवारिक समारोह में इस्तेमाल होने वाले अवधी भाषा के कुछ शब्द और वाक्य. So let us start. So when you meet someone or someone meets you, he will say का हाल चाल है. It means how are you? You can reply by saying अरे हम बहुत बढ़िया ही. Hey, I'm doing good. हाँ, बहुत समय बाद मुलाकात होती है. We are meeting after a long time. कहाँ रहा थे आजकल? Where do you live these days? हम अयोध्या में रही था. I live in Ayodhya. चला खेते में चला जाए. Come, let's go to the fields. हाँ, चला बचपन के याद ताजा हो जाए. Let us refresh childhood memories. हमारे बियाह होइगा है. I am married now. हमरो बियाह होइगा है. I am married too. ढेर समय बाद तोहसे मिलके बहुत खुशी भई. Very happy to meet you after a long time. So there are some words in these sentences that you might not have understood. There is a word biyah. Biyah means vivah. Vivah in Hindi, which means marriage. Gadel, when he said हमरे दुई गदेल हैं, it means I have two kids. Gadel is kids. Dher, dher means a lot. Khete means in the fields. Khet means fields. So khet, fields. Khete, in the fields. Ghar, home. Ghare, in the home. Okay, so it's like that. Yad is memory or to miss someone. I have also migrated this platform that we had previously built on a new domain, and it's now called the Awadh project. You can easily find it in the comments or in the description, and you can learn more of the words from the website. Thank you so much.